Hey, what's up? My name is Ramone and welcome to a Mint cooking series. I'm going to be your personal chef. I'm going to just show you some really cool Christmas hacks. Today we're going to be cooking some delicious golden brown roast chicken. In regards to the chicken, I'm going to give you quite a few hacks. Please watch till the end because even my ancestors right now is seeing what I'm doing and they're literally turning their grave. We're going to seal our meat. So it does three things. It gives you a really nice caramelization, golden brown, which is perfect, but it stops you from burning the seasoning. In regards to your roast chicken, I'm going to give you one or two tricks. So after it's washed and cleaned, pat down your chicken so it's nice and dry, because if it's wet and you put it in the frying pan, yes, I said I'm going to roast chicken in the frying pan, it will just spit. So the reason why I'm roasting it or starting it off in the frying pan, one, because of speed, and two, you're going to get a really nice caramelization, a really nice golden brown. We're going to just pull out the spine. So the spine is literally going from the top all the way to the bottom. You're going to run your knife from one side, literally slice down, start from the center, pull down, and once you get to about that bit, you kind of just use the base of your hand, snap, 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 and pull out. Turn, and do the exact same thing on the other side. Make sure your knife's nice and sharp as well. At the top, snap, snap, snap. Just taking this spine out alone is going to save you about 25 to 30 minutes. Once we've taken out the spine, we're going to have a really nice hot pan. How you know it's hot? You hover your hand over it just above the lip. If you feel a nice hit, it's ready to go. If you're still not sure, what you're going to do, get a little bit of oil and you want to just listen. This is what you want to hear. You want to hear like a fry. You want to hear, you hear that? That's what you want to hear. A nice fry. If it doesn't do nothing, take it back out, wait a minute, a couple of seconds, and it's still good to go. Remember I told you about having your chicken bone dry? My chicken wasn't dry. After I washed it, I tapped out the sides, tapped out the top, the side had a little bit of water. So now you can see the reason why you don't have water, because it spits. So my ancestors are watching this right now, and they're literally turning their grave, because if you notice, I didn't put no seasoning, no salt, no pepper, nothing. All I want to do is get that caramelization. I want to get that color. More color equals flavor. So the more color I get on this bad boy, the more flavor. I'm going to seal it on one side, flip it round and seal it on this other side. Look, have a look at this. Come close, guys. Have a look at that beautiful color already. If I put seasoning straight in there, that would have gone black, carbonated, and nice. That's the color that I'm going to want to have all the way through the chicken. And now we're just going to flip it. It's actually not hot, so we've literally just sealed it on one side. If you're a little bit uncomfortable using your hand straight in the pan, you can use a plate. Just like that. This is going to be hot, so I wouldn't recommend using your hand on top. Now we have some nice color on both sides. What we're going to do is just now we marinate this bad boy. There is no seasoning on this. All I've got is a little bit of paprika, a little bit of cayenne, onion powder, garlic powder, and literally a stock cube. We're going to just mix that all together and we're just going to dust all over. Paprika, cayenne, onion powder, it's looking good. It's not even half cooked, it's about 20% cooked, but already that is looking sexy. You could literally just grab that pan straight in the oven if you have a metal handle. If you don't, oven tray, slide it on. We're gonna just take it. Yeah, we're gonna give some more flavors, and we're gonna just literally garlic straight down the middle. I know it looks like a lot of garlic, but trust me. I think you'd be trusting me already now, right? Onion straight down the middle. If you want, you can even pop a little bit of carrot in there. Again, flavor, baby. And what it also does as well, it gives it height. So that oven, it will cook circular. Instead of just on top and you have to flip it round, it will cook underneath, cook through. If you don't have a metal handle, put it in the tray, finish it off. To be honest, you could actually cook this whole chicken straight in the tray. Anyway, put that straight there. Oh, man. We're just gonna chuck it in the oven, 20 minutes. That'll be perfect. Remember I told you, 25 minutes for a whole roast chicken? Never gonna happen. But because I took out that spine, flattened it, sealed it on both sides, seasoned that bad boy, and now have a look at this. Oh, look how delicious that looks. Delicious. I have been your personal chef. Today we made some delicious roast chicken. Like, subscribe if you want to see some more. You have been with Ramone the Chef.